What would actually happen if you did 50 squats every day without weights, without equipment, just your body and a little commitment? In this video, we'll show you exactly what changes, what you feel, and why this simple habit can transform your body if you stick with it. Stay until the end, because most people miss the most important point. Squats are one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises. They strengthen your legs, glutes, core, and even your lower back. And the best part is, you can do them anytime, anywhere. So what happens if you commit to 50 squats a day? In the first week, you'll feel some soreness in your thighs and glutes. This is normal because your muscles are facing a new challenge and are starting to strengthen and reshape. In the second week, you'll start to feel that your legs are more stable and stronger. Climbing stairs becomes easier, your body movement improves, and your glutes begin to tighten and lift, step by step. In the third week, you'll feel the effects of commitment. Your balance improves, your movements become more precise, and your endurance increases significantly. After a full month, 50 squats will become second nature. Your legs will be stronger, your glutes firmer, and even your posture and body alignment will improve thanks to stronger core muscles and improved pelvic stability. But let's be honest, 50 squats a day won't turn you into a bodybuilder. If you want bigger muscles and greater strength, you'll need to add resistance later, such as dumbbells, a barbell, or resistance bands. However, daily squats build an excellent foundation, improve flexibility, increase mobility, boost circulation, and strengthen your knees, hips, and ankles. And there's an important benefit that many people forget: self-confidence. When you move better, feel stronger, and commit to a healthy habit every day, you feel in control of your body, and this confidence impacts your entire life. So, should I recommend starting with 50 squats a day? Absolutely. It's a simple habit with significant benefits over time. And if 50 seems like too much, break it up into sets. If you're already strong, try 75 or even 100. The secret is consistency. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and tell us in the comments how many squats you did today. Don't forget to subscribe to get all the fitness challenges and tips without any complications.